Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to move on and we're going to actually teach you how to use the Gamut Warning a little bit better. And on this clip I'm going to show you what to do. So what you want to do is go down to your layers palette like we have done earlier. And we're going to click that little half moon looking thing right there. And we're going to select the hue and saturation. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to unlock the eyedroppers once again. And we're going to actually click up here on the edit menu. And as you can see down on my picture, I zoom in, the green in the grass is actually what's oversaturated. So I'm going to hit greens. Okay, so now it unlocked the eyedroppers for us. And our green is actually selected right down here, but we want to actually select the exact green. And there's also, let me show you right over here on this, you can see right here on this board, on this wood that's on the sign, that's a little oversaturated as well, probably with a red. Looks like it to me at least. So basically that's it for this tutorial. I just wanted to show you about bringing up the saturation dialog box and using the Gamut Warning. And we're going to move on to the next clip, and I'm going to show you how to actually drop the saturation and help your picture look a lot better in prints.